Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create this warm glowy look. It's super simple and you can wear this for your everyday makeup look. So keep on watching. For this look I'm going to be using my 35G Bronze Gold from Morphe. I'm going to start with the lightest brown. And I'm going to apply this on my brown bone. And I'm just gonna blend it out. And I forgot this, but I had concealer already on my eyelids before I did this. I'm going to use this orange. And I'm going to apply this on the center of my lid. Now I'm going to use this goldish right here. And I'm going to apply this on the front of my lid. And just a little bit on the corner. And just kind of blend it out with the orange one. For my outer corner, I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to do it with my finger. I find it easier for the creamy shadows to do it with the finger rather than the brush. But it's up to you however you want to do it. And I'm going to put a little bit of concealer just to make my eyes brighter. Beauty blender. And I'm just gonna use my beauty blender to blend this out. For contour, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. palette. And I like to mix this too. For highlight, I'm going to use this Revolution. And I'm going to mix these three. And again, I'm just gonna use my finger. And I'll just tap it here on my cheekbones. And I like to do just straight line here on my nose. And just a little circle on the tip of my nose. And I just blend it out with my fingers. And I just put a little bit just on top of my blush. For blush, I'm going to use this Morphe. And I'm going to mix the two at the end. Since this is a warm look, I don't want it to be too pinkish. And just do it. Just a little bit color. For my eyelashes, I'm going to use this Mayo High Club. for my lips, I'm going to use toasted truffle. And I'll just kind of dab it, and I'll just blend it with my finger. And this is our final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.